Good morning, sir. Bhakti Khanjawab present.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Bhanduhan present.
Good morning. Have you all completed the first exercise of chapter 20? Exercise 20.1.
So first, second, and third we have completed. So we have completed 20.1 exercise.
Okay. We have not started 20.2. Have we started
No,
it
sir.
or not? Huh?
So we have to start today.
We have to start today. Okay. Okay, exercise 20.2. The areas of a rectangle of the rectangles are given below along with with one of the sides. Find the measure of the other side.
This we have to do in book only.
No, you have to do in your copies. The whole exercise. Exercise 20.2. Question A, first part. In this question, the area of a rectangle is given, length of the rectangle is given, and breadth is not given, which you have to find out. Area is equal to, it is given 15 centimeters square. Length of the rectangle is given 5 centimeters. Breadth is not given. Okay. So just look at this very carefully, everyone. Stop writing, all of you, and look at the board. Okay. Don't write. Just first listen how to do, and then I will give you time to write down. Okay. Don't write right now. Look at this. So area and length are given. Breadth is not given. We will use the same formula to find the breadth also. Area of a rectangle is what? Tell me the formula. What is the area of a rectangle? Formula.
Area for a rectangle, sir. Area
Length multiplied by breadth.
Length multiplied by breadth.
Yes, L into B. This is the formula of area of a rectangle. Area equals to L into B. This is the formula. Do you remember, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Rectangles area. You all have written all the formulae. I want you all to learn all the formulae. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So area equals to L into B. Now what is the value of area? It is 15 centimeters square. So put the value of area 15. Then in the RHS, the length is 5 centimeters, 5, and breadth is not given. Okay, length is 5, but the breadth is not given. So what will you do? Now in the RHS, you can see 5 is in multiply with B. What is the symbol between 5 and B? It is multiply. So I will take this 5 in the LHS. In an equation, there are two things, LHS and RHS. Do you remember LHS, RHS? मैंने पहले भी बताया था आपको. Equal to के left side में this thing is known as LHS. Equal to के left में जो भी होता है, that is known as LHS, left hand side. Equal to के right में जो भी लिखा है, that is known as right hand side. That means RHS. Right hand side RHS, left hand side LHS. So now you take this 5 in LHS. 15 upon 5 is equal to B. 5 will go in divide. 15 upon 5 is equal to B. So 15 divided by 5 is equal to what? 5
Three.
is multiply.
Three.
Opposite. What is opposite of multiply? Multiply का opposite क्या होता है? Divide. So 5 has gone to the denominator. If a number is in numerator, multiply में है numerator में, it will go in the denominator. 15 divided by 5 is 3. So answer मिल गया आपको 3 centimeter equals to breadth. So what is the breadth of the rectangle? What is the breadth?
3 centimeter.
3 centimeters. Understood, all of you? In
3
all the
centimeters.
questions,
Sir.
in all the questions, you have to do the same thing. Quickly, I am giving you only 5 minutes to do all the parts. Only 5 minutes, not more than 5.
And sir, which formula we have to use?
Same formula, beta. All the parts. Area equals to length into breadth. Same formula you will use to do all the parts. Find the area. Sorry, find the answer of all the parts. Yes, Abhiyan. Abhiyan, you're saying something?
Sir, in
Yes.
this starting formula area 15 centimeter, what is meant by that two?
Sorry, in the
Sir, the first line of this sum, there is written area equals to RHS 15 cm.
15
So,
centimeter
sir, what is
square.
this two?
This is known as 15 centimeter square. This is the unit of area. जब भी हम area की unit लिखते हैं, you write it in this form, centimeter square. Okay. So it is written in this form only. Centimeter square is the unit of area. If it is meter square, that is also unit of area. Unit of area could be centimeter square, meter square, or kilometer square, like this. Okay. So this is only the unit of area.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in the question third and fourth, there is the same formula.
In the question third
In
and
question,
fourth. Sorry.
there is same formula. So because in
Yes,
third,
yes, 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 yes. Same formula you will use. In third question, the breadth is given, length is not given. Same formula will be used to find the answer. Okay.
okay, sir.
Same method. Have you all done all the part?
No, sir, I am on fifth one.
No, sir.
Okay, done.
Sir, I
Sir, I
have
am
done till
on
3.
the, sir,
Sorry?
I am on the last one.
Abhiyan, how many you have done?
Sir, 4.
4. Muhammad Hamza, how many you have?
5.
You're on 5. And Shivam Patel. Soham Agarwal, beta, how many you have done?
5.
5, very good. Yash Tikyani, Yash, how many parts you have done?
Sir, 4.
Very good. Aspa, you have done how many parts?
Sir, I have done all.
Very good.
Sir, I have also done all.
Okay. Okay, now all of you check your answers of all the parts. I hope everyone has done all the parts. First part we have already done. The answer is 3 centimeters. We have already done it on the board. Second part, area 32 centimeters square, length 8 centimeters square. So the breadth will be 4 centimeters. Length is 8 centimeter, breadth will be 4 centimeters in the second part. Answer is 4 centimeters. Third part, breadth is 3 centimeter given. You have to find the length in the third part. The length will be 14 centimeters.
14 centimeter.
Yes. Fourth part, length will be 9 centimeters. The answer is 9 centimeter, fourth part. Fifth part, answer is 5 centimeters. Okay. And sixth part, again the answer is 5 centimeters. Fifth and sixth, both
So
the
my
part,
all answers are.
answer is
Sir,
5
my all
centimeters.
answers are correct.
So my
Very
all
good.
answers are correct.
Very good.
So what is the answer for fifth one?
5 centimeters.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Who has got all the answers correct? Bhakti, you have got all the answers correct?
Sir, me.
Yes.
So
Shivam has also got, Shivam Singh has also got all the answers correct. Very
I
good.
also got.
Soham Agarwal also has got all the answers correct. What about Asfa? Asfa?
Sir, also I.
Yes, sir.
All answers are correct. Asfa beta, your answers are correct. Okay. Next question. Let's start with question B. Question B start करते हैं. Okay, everyone over with the first question. All of you. A part I hope you all have done. Question A. Let's start with
Yes,
question
sir.
Yes, sir, we have done.
Very good. So question B. Here in question B, it is a triangle. And you have to find one of the missing side of the triangle.
It has height and base.
Yes. Out of height and base, one will be given, one will be missing. So you have to find the missing one. Question B, first part, look at this. Area is given. In all the parts, area will be given. Area 20 centimeters square. Okay. So again, the same concept will be used in all the parts, but just look at the first one very carefully. Look at the board, all of you. Don't write anything. Just look at the board. Okay, I will give you time. Don't worry. So area is equal to 20 centimeters square, first part. Height is given. Height is given how much? 5 centimeters. And base is not given. Base of the triangle is not given. You have to find the base. What will you do? You will first write the formula of area of a triangle. This time it is a triangle. That is why you will write the area of triangle, not area of rectangle. Area of rectangle मत लिख देना. कहीं पर पता लगा triangle की बात कर रहे हैं, आपने area of rectangle use कर दिया, your answer will be wrong. Triangle अगर बात question में triangle की हो रही है, you will use the formula of area of triangle only. अगर rectangle की बात हो रही है तो rectangle का area का formula use करना है. Clear? ऐसा मत करना कि पता लगा कोई और फॉर्मूला यूज कर दिया. ओके. तो एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल इज हाफ इनटू बेस इनटू हाइट.
Into height.
द फॉर्मूला हाफ इनटू बेस इनटू हाइट. ओके. नाउ पुट द वैल्यूज. एरिया इज 20 equals to half into base not given. Height 5 centimeters given. Clear? First we have put the values. Now after this 2 is in numerator or denominator? 2 कहाँ पर है? Denominator में.
Denominator.
Right? It is in denominator.
Yes, sir.
So when it will go in the LHS, it will go in the numerator. देखो 20 multiplied by 2. Numerator से multiply हो जाएगा. Okay. And 5 is in numerator or denominator? 5. 5 is in numerator.
Numerator.
Numerator में. So 5 will go in denominator upon 5 equals to b. 1 into b is b only. So b बचा यहाँ पे. Clear or not? 2 denominator से numerator में चला जाएगा. In all the questions you have to do the same thing. 2 denominator से चला गया numerator में and 5 numerator से चला गया denominator. Okay. Now you can simplify. 20 is divisible by 5, so you can divide it by 5. You get 4. 20 divided by 5 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. So 8 centimeter is equal to base. Answer. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So note down this in your copies. I will do one more part of this. I will do one more part on the board here. First, you do the first part. Note down the first part, everyone. Note down the first part in your copies. जल्दी से नोट करो. अभियान बेटा नोट करो.
Sir, I have noted.
Okay.
Sir, noted.
Okay. So second part we will skip right now. Second part I will give you all to do it yourself. I am doing the third part on the board. Okay, मैं पहले third part board पे कर रहा हूँ and then you can do the second part on your own afterwards. पहले third करेंगे. Okay, I hope you all have noted it. हटा दूँ मैं?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Second part. Third part. Second part you will do on your own. I'm doing the third part. Third part, area is equal to 63 centimeters square. This is the area. Base is given this time. Base is 7 centimeters. Base is 7 centimeters. Okay. You have to find the height. Again, use the same formula. क्या है formula? Area equal to half into base into height. This is the formula of area of a triangle. ठीक है? Height missing है. Height हम find कर लेंगे same formula से. So area 63. Put the values. Area is 63. It is given equal to half. Base की जगह क्या लिखना है मुझे? Tell me. What should I write in place of base?
7.
7. Very good. Height is given or not?
No, sir.
Not given. So height की जगह h लिख देंगे ऐसे. Okay. Now what? बिल्कुल same वैसे ही solve करना है. 2 is in denominator. तो 2 जाएगा कहाँ पर? In the
Numerator.
numerator. Multiply by 2. 7 is in numerator. 7 कहाँ जाएगा?
Denominator.
Equal to क्या बचा? H. Clear? Now 63 divided by 7 is 9. 63 को 7 से डिवाइड करते हैं कितना आता है 9.
9.
So 9 into 2 is
18.
18 centimeter is the answer. Clear? Same है बिल्कुल
Yes,
question
sir.
one की तरह. Do all the parts. Yes. Any doubt in this? Anyone?
No, sir.
Okay. Do all the parts now.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in some places there is not any sign. So on that place, multiply is been there.
Yes. If it is no symbol between two numbers, that means they are in multiply. If there is no sign between two numbers, that means the two numbers are in multiply. Okay.